This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cecilia Corthorn. Stunning condo in the prestige Hyde Resort and Residences in Hollywood Beach. Enjoy beautiful views of the ocean, pool and intercoastal from this two halves located on the 31st floor unit. Great open floor plan with luxurious finishes. Fully furnished with hotel furniture package. No rental restrictions. Amenities include 2 infinity edge ocean view pools, sun deck, and private cabanas. Complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, daily housekeeping, individual climate control, concierge service. Membership included to Hyde Beach Club. Buyer has the option to put the unit on the hotel program and Airbnb. Perfect for foreigners. For more information, review the details below or contact Cecilia Corthorn at 305-271-4350.